Welcome to part 3 of my low carb / high protein meals. So these loaded cabbage steaks were one for the books. I mean, the flavors were super immaculate. Do you hear me? So you'll want to just cut some thick slices of cabbage and keep the stem on. Lather it with olive oil and seasonings to both sides. You'll want to place it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Then you'll want to add some ground beef and or black beans plus cheddar cheese, and then place them in the oven for about 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. Once you take it out the oven, you want to top it with your favorite taco toppings. I chose tomatoes and avocados. I also added some homemade salsa crema, which is just sour cream and your favorite salsa or taco sauce. Needless to say, we devoured them. This is my spin on things. Now you complete the cuisine.